Hello and welcome to this session on trolley setting for manicure and pedicure. Manicure and pedicure are a very popular beauty treatment for both men and women irrespective of age done at Salon.
Objectives. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to set the trolley for the procedure of manicure and pedicure, sanitize tools for the procedure of manicure and pedicure. Let's first look at the tools, materials, and equipment required for the manicure and pedicure procedure. We will need the following tools and equipment: trolley, client chair, manicure stool and table, manicure tray, manicure bowl, infrared lamp, medium-size bowl, electric manicure kit, orange wood stick, emery board, magnifying glass, nail brush, scissors, buffer, spatula, foot file, and nail clipper. We will need the following materials: nail polish remover, cotton swabs or pads, nail buffer, cuticle oil or cream, clean and sanitized finger bowl, mild soap or shampoo, clean and sanitized hand towel, cuticle pusher and nippers, cuticle or callus remover, hand or nail moisturizer, nail polish, top coat, base coat, hand wash, hydrogen peroxide, foot cream, foot powder, and paper towels. The tools such as foot file, toenail clippers, scissors, nail brushes should be sterilized by placing them in the sterilization machine before use. The manicure tray, bowl, towel should be washed and sanitized by using an antiseptic during wash. Assemble the trolley with all the tools and materials required for the procedure.
This brings us to the end of the session. Before concluding, let's look at the key points learned. Before performing manicure or pedicure, all the necessary tools must be properly sanitized. You should also set the trolley and keep it well accessible before starting the procedure. Congratulations! You've just learned how to set trolley for manicure and pedicure. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next session.